Hey guys, I'm Dayton with Ballistic Mischief, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get out of zip ties. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to drop down and you're going to have to untie your shoes. Alright, when your shoes are untied, you're going to want to take one end of the shoestring, feed it through your zip tie, and then tie it to the other shoestring. Alright, so whenever you get it, it should look something like this. So basically, you've created a loop inside of your shoestrings, just like that. And you want to make sure that the knot is tight. Alright, so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to go on your back, and pretty much just like you're riding a bicycle, you're going to have you kick your feet back and forth, and it should create enough friction that it will break through the zip ties. Alright, and just like that, you have broken through your zip tie. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna do a one-handed version for you guys real quick. Alright, so you have your handcuff. You're gonna slide one shoelace through, and then take your other shoelace, tie them together, and you're just gonna start riding your bicycle. Okay? So once you got it together, you're just going back and forth, and then your zip tie is just going to break off. And that's all you gotta do. Takes literally 2 seconds, and your zip tie's busted. Alright y'all, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any escape video ideas that you want me to try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.